Moving on, MCX will launch electricity futures contract from 10th of July. This move is aimed at helping power companies, industries and investors to handle price risks in the electricity sector. The futures contracts will provide a transparent and reliable way to trade. The contracts will allow trading for 12 months, but at the launch, trading will be open for current and next 3 months. Each unit of the contract will be for 50 megawatt hours and prices will be quoted in Indian rupees per megawatt hour, not including any taxes or levies. The smallest price change, called a tick, is 1 rupee per megawatt hours. NDTV Profit's Charu Singh spoke to Praveena Rai, CEO of MCX, to find out more on how the electricity futures will work. Take a look.
Hello and welcome to NDTV Profit. Today we are joined in an exclusive chat with the MD and CEO of MCX, Ms. Praveena Rai. So the first question, ma'am, we have, since you're launching electricity derivatives now and you already have gotten all the right approvals, is that how would you explain the importance and the functioning of the product to a layman investor watching you on TV right now?
So I think for everybody, understanding the benefit of a commodity derivative is important. And this is a product which is widely used. We are all users of electricity. We understand the product very well. And it's hence easier to understand how it works and also understand what is the benefit that this can give us. Either by way of hedging, which is typically could be an SME, a large industrial house, and so on when it comes to the user side. Or it could be, an institution or a retail participant as an investor.
Thank you for that answer, but can we also understand a bit more about how you're going to be able to, play this well, because there is already another major exchange as well that will be, launching the same product, will be joining in on this product's market. So what do you think is the, driving force behind MCX's efficiency for such a product?
So the market is fertile, the market is large, and this is a product that will need activity to create awareness, to bring various participants from the electrical ecosystem as well as the financial ecosystem into its fray. So I think there is a role for everybody, and we will all play the role to create and develop this market. Now, MCX is the Commodity Derivatives Exchange of India, and we have done our study. We've understood the need of the hour when it comes to what really is required by both participants, and we believe that the contract does the job. Grateful again to our regulators, SEBI, the financial regulator, and of course CERC as the regulator of electricity at the central level for supporting this.
Ma'am, one major thing about you launching this product is that you have an association with the Indian Energy Exchange, IEX, which seems like a very interesting, association of sorts. So may I please ask you to share more information and shed some light on this association?
Yeah, so we will be using the IEX prices to settle the contract. And IEX is the largest spot exchange. They have more than 95% share when it comes to the spot market on power, and that is the partnership we have. So we will be using their price to settle the contract.
Ma'am, at the expense of asking you to reiterate after the press conference even, can I please ask you to tell the investors more about what kind of contracts you are planning on launching in this product right now, whenever you plan to launch it, and what kind of contracts or what kind of, timeline related to the product could be seen once this works out and you take this forward?
So when it comes to electricity, we are starting with what is called the day-ahead contract. And this is I would say, the basic one, and this has to get well established. Once this is in play, we then end up with a situation where we will be able to take up other products. You could have a green contract, you could have longer tenor contracts. This is a current plus 3 month, but there could be longer tenor contracts as per the need of the industry. So that will play out based on the larger vision for the country as well as for the need of the industry here.
That was Praveena Rai from MCX speaking to us on the launch of electricity derivatives by the exchange. Thank you so much for joining us on this exclusive chat, ma'am.